Hi, I'm Shaman, and I'm going to show you how to fix your auto-generated captions in CapCut. It's good that CapCut has a feature to generate auto captions, but sometimes it makes mistakes. Or if you're like me and you like to add punctuation to your captions, it can throw things off. So in this case, when I play this video, you're going to see there's a period at the beginning of a sentence, and that just doesn't look good.
First film where
Right there. That doesn't look good, so I'm going to fix that. So in order to fix that, what you have to do is come down to the timeline and click into any of the auto-generated text. So I'm going to click here. Now by default, on the upper right hand side of the screen, text is going to be selected, and then that's to fix that particular text that is selected. But what's best to do is click to the left of that says captions. Then you're going to see a list of all your generated captions. So then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to come down to the line that you're having the issue with. So for me, it's line 6. So what I'm going to do is click into that line, and then I'm going to hit return because I'm on a Mac, but it may be enter if you're on a PC. So then it's going to separate that and bring it to another line. I'm going to hit enter again. So I broke it up into 3 separate sections. And you're going to see the sync and the timing is still going to be there, but the way it's displayed is just going to be corrected. So now the period will not be at the beginning of the sentence, and it will look much better. So check this out. Yes, I remember.
it's that dog. He pops up.
So it's much better now. That period is gone. This is the actual spot where it was at, and you can see it rearranged things, but the timing is still there. So that's how you fix auto-generated captions in CapCut. And also, if there was something that was misspelled, you can do that too. So if this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I release new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.